Howdy, 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 everyone, and welcome to the Garden Nerd. I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough of the garden, and not really do much of the way in commentary. I'm just going to see how I like it, how you guys like it. If you like it, give it that, thumbs up or whatever. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And this way I can see if you guys like it. Alright, that's pretty much all you're going to hear from me. Enjoy.